Brush.
Look.
Hurry. It's gonna finish. Hurry, hurry. Fast. Brush fast. Brush. Look at the waves.
That's that.
No, brush, almost finished. Hurry, hurry. Yay! Bravo. Say morning, Fizz. Come, wash. Come, time, we're gonna be late. My gosh. Ah.
Mama,
Yes, come, time.
I'm doing so well. I don't feel well, Mama.
Yes, you feel better. Gloves, hand, fast. You're gonna be late. 1, 2. Oh no, 3, 4,
That is
5.
yes.
Yes, come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, hot.
This is the yes, and this is the yes. Ow, 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 ow.
You don't want me to kiss you?
Mama!
I'm not talking to you.
Mama!
Yes. You wipe off my kiss and you make me sad.
Mama!
Yes, Stella.
Um,
You wipe off my kiss. You
Mama.
make me sad.
Mama,
Yes, Stella.
I need a kiss here, okay?
Okay. Thank you. I kiss him on his cheek and he wipe it off and say, no, Mama, you only kiss me here. Tell the face later. I'm going to school. Alright, go. Yes. Hi, faves. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys. It's a brand new day. Everybody's up. My babies are out. The baby's off to school. And the big baby's off to work. I am home, back home, hunting food. As usual, forever hunting food. I have a long day ahead of me. I have work later. I have things to get done. Baby's heading out of town tomorrow. It's a whole lot to get around here before, a whole lot to get done before I head out to work later. So I'm trying to accomplish that. And breakfast this morning is one of my all-time favorite. Can you guess what it is? No surprise there. The good old green press plantain and eggs. Okay. So breakfast is on its way as usual. And I'm gonna grab on this, get the vlog ready so you guys can have it in a few hours, and make dinner, do my usual daily routine and all that good stuff. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are enjoying today's vlog. And yeah, stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated, do what you gotta do, girl, to get you through your day. and I'll catch you guys throughout some point in my day. You guys, doesn't this look heavenly? These two stay a little bit long, but oh well, when your planting is turn, that's what happened. But it's grub time. Stomach awaits you, shawty. Okay, you guys, dinner is done. That's my salmon, and my rice is done. So yeah, that's it. And I am actually gonna eat some of this for lunch right now because I'm hungry, shawty. It looks so good. Doesn't it look good? Yes.
Bonjour, Tyler. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah.
What are you eating?
I'm eating jumbo and rice.
This is rice. This is ham. And what is that? What is that?
And fish.
You like fish?
Yeah.
You want fish?
Yeah.
Okay, bon appetit.
The cookie.
Hi guys, we home. Well, I should say I am home. Tyler is here, eating, watching TV. I'm about to do exactly the same. So yeah, it's almost 7 p.m. now. I hope you all having a great day. Here's my head is hurting a bit, and yeah, but I'm having a good day. Baby's at work. I hope she's having a good day too, cause I didn't see her except this morning when I leave. Oh, almost the end of the year. I hope I get some rest when it's gonna be the Christmas break. Well, I'm only gonna have like 2-3 days, but that will be okay. But Christmas is always running right and left and right and left. Yes, Tyler.
This is salmon.
You like salmon?
Yeah.
You eating? Wow! Good job. You ate all of the ham, and you ate almost all of the salmon. Wow! Good job. You're hungry. Wow! Good job, Tyler. Well, I guess he was hungry. I guess it was time to feed him. So yeah, I'm gonna take care of him. Gonna rest, gonna watch a little bit TV, and yeah, gonna wait on babe.
Hey guys, I just got in from work.
Mama?
Yes. Oh, and Tyler have a gift from school. Oh, you made it? That's your hand?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nakabana
sure you fit. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh.
Is Tyler socks?
Oh,
Is Tyler Santa?
oh my gosh. You guys look. It's to hang on the tree. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
I'm going to do it on our tree.
Yeah, go. Go put it on.
The fish can see it.
So Faves can see it. Where are you gonna hang it? Hang it here. Or hang it at this one. Put it all the way up high. Wow. Look at my boo-boo. Oh my god, this going to school experience is so much fun. Tyler, who is that? Who is that?
Fire.
That's Tyler.
Oh, it's candy?
Yeah.
This is... You
Don't
asked me
take
the
them
last
out.
time.
Let
This
him
is
have them.
papillote.
Okay.
This type.
All right, Mama gonna put your stocking right here.
Yeah.
Okay? Honey, go for one of these little sticker thing. Look at this little stocking.
Where do I get them?
In where the books are in the black thing. Tyler, you made it? That's cool. Wow, Mama like it. Carry two. I love it. Oh, I like it, Ty.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good job. It's on the wall. So cute. Aww. And he's right here. Oh my gosh. You are so cute. Look at your smile. I like your smile, Ty.
Yeah.
No, you take that picture at school?
Yeah.
Wow, you did good.
Hi guys. When it's late night and both parents sleeping while the cheese son is awake. Oh, I'm exhausted. Tara is up like he's not tired and maybe sleeping already. So yeah, that's how we're gonna end today's vlog. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It was tired day for all of us, so yeah. Give this video a thumbs up, catch a keep up, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, I was about to go to bed. Well, as I was about to put Tyler to bed and go to bed me, Tyler didn't want it. He wanted to give her a notification, so that's gonna be the notification time now.
Notification that I goes to.
Goes to who? No. What you supposed to say? Notification shout out. Judith?
Judith Kia.
No, Judith Williams.
Judith Kia.
Hi, Judith.
And
And oh, you want to say it to somebody else?
yeah.
To who?
No one Cuba.
Okay. Say hi, Judith.
Hi, Judith.
Thanks for watching.
Something else. And see something. What is the
Alright, it's time to go to bed. Night. Night, night.